Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to speed up Windows 11 by disabling background apps. If you want to improve your PC performance, then this Gear Up Windows video will help you. There are several ways to put background apps to sleep that will save your system resources including CPU, RAM, internet bandwidth and battery. So let me show you one by one. First one method is Settings app. All you have to do is press Windows plus I keys on the keyboard. Let me open it again. All you have to do is open Settings app by pressing Windows plus I keys on the keyboard, or right click on this Start button and select here Settings. Then click on Apps in the left side. On the right, click on Installed apps. This will open Installed apps page on your computer. Here you need to find out which apps are not useful for you and you need to disable that apps from running in the background. So let me check. If you don't use Cortana, you can disable this from running in the background. So what you have to do is click on this one triple dots menu beside Cortana and select advanced options. Here scroll down, and here you need to scroll down and click on let this app run in background drop down menu, and here select never. Like this, you have to again go back and choose the apps that are available on your PC, and you need to find out and you need to disable it from running in the background, such as, let me check with calculator. Here click on three dots and select advanced options, and you can see that it is running in the background. So I will click on it and select never. So when I will use this app, then only it will run, otherwise it will don't run in the background. So it will save our resources of my PC. Next one option is you can do through your task manager. You can also disable background apps from task manager. For that, on Windows 11, you have to press Ctrl Shift plus Escape button on the keyboard to open Task Manager. If you know another method, you can also use that. And please note, I will mention all the commands and shortcuts keys that are used in this video description, so you can also copy or use or read a few details about this video from its video description. So I have to open the task manager, or I have to press Ctrl Shift plus Escape. Once the task manager opens, you need to go to a startup tabs. Here you need to find out which services are not required by you always, and you can disable that, such as IDM. I don't need it every time I open my PC, so I will disable it. So to disable, just select app name and right click on it and select this one disable option. You will see here a status as disabled. That means it will not run in the background. If I will close this app, this will close permanently, and when I will use, then only it will eat our resources of my PC. Next one you can do through Microsoft Configuration Manager. For that, press Windows and R key on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. Here type msconfig and click OK to open System Configuration window. Here in the General tab, select Selective Startup and uncheck Load Startup Items. Then click Apply and OK button. This will remove several apps from running in the background at a time. Next one is you can also disable background apps using Group Policy Editor. If you are using Windows 11 Pro or higher version, you can use this method. Otherwise, you have to use registry method. So to open the Group Policy Editor, first press Windows plus R keys on the keyboard and here type gpedit.msc. Then click on the OK button to open Group Policy Editor window. Here under Computer Configuration, click on Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, then App Privacy. Here on the right you will see a lot of settings are available. You need to find out let Windows apps run in the background and double click on this one. Here select enabled option to stop background activities that are not required, and here default for all apps. Click on this drop down menu and select force deny, then click on apply and OK. After that you need to restart your PC to apply the changes. Final one is registry editor method. For that you need to open registry editor. So press Windows plus R keys on the keyboard and to open the Run dialog box and type here regedit, then click on the OK button. If user account control prompts, click on the Yes button. Here in the address bar, copy and paste the complete path which I will provide in this video description and press enter on your keyboard. This will directly jump to Windows key under Microsoft. Here right click on the Windows key and select new and then key option and name it App Privacy, APPRIVACY. Then click out. You should also note if this key is already exist, then you don't have to create this one. App Privacy, in my case it is already available, so you don't have to create new one. Otherwise you need to create a new one. App Privacy key here. On the right you need to create a new regdbird. Let apps run in the background. If not available, then you need to create one. If available, this one dbird. To create a new dbird, suppose you want to create under apps privacy, so you select here app privacy and on the right click and select new and dbird option. This one dbird 32-bit value. You have to always create debug 32-bit value if you are using Windows 64-bit OS also. Then also you need to create debug 32-bit value only. Don't create other values. So in my case, if it is already available, let apps run in the background. Here you need to double click on it to open its value data field. Here you need to type value 2. Value 2 will disable all background apps that are running on the background. This will stop all background activity from your PC. And here put value 2 to disable, and if you want to allow your apps in the background, then you have to put value here 0. So in my case I will put here 2 because I want to speed up my PC's performance, so I have set it here 2, and then you need to click on the OK button. That's it. That's all about this video. This will surely improve your PC performance. Thank you. Goodbye. If you have not subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of new amazing videos are going to come. Thank you.